to all the dignitaries. Secretary Sir Sri E. Sullivan, IAS. आणि हांव मागता सर सुभाष फळदेसाय हांचे लागीं की तांणी
Disability Department of Persons with Disabilities and the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities on behalf of both this and in collaboration with all these Indo-Iran, Cultural House of Republic Islam. We have amongst us Mr. Guru Prasad Pauskar, the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, our Director, Madam Varsha Naik, also Mr. Mohammed Fazal, the Director of the Cultural House of Republic of Iran. Our own Secretary who have joined new, the IAS, Mr. E. Walvan, all my staff, director, all the person with disability who are representing their NGOs, the students, their teachers, and my dear friends. I think this is a great opportunity for all of us. This is a different kind of film. This is not a romantic film. This is not something else. This is very much we normally don't get to see. And I'm very thankful to Mr. Satish Kapoor ji. इन्होंने बहुत सारी फिल्में हमारे लिए पिछले कई सालों से हमारे बीच में आकर 100 फिल्में एक बार दिखाने का प्रयास किया है और आई एम वेरी इंडक्टेड एंड ग्रेटफुल टू सतीश कपूर जी. आपका एहसान गोवा के लोग कभी नहीं भूलेंगे और स्पेशली हमारे जो डिसेबिलिटी सेक्टर है, आपने एक मिसाल यहाँ पे पेश की है. कोई मैच नहीं कर सकेगा, लेकिन आपका टायरलेस एफर्ट्स विदाउट एनी financial impact on government of Goa. He doesn't do it for financially earning something, but he spends a lot. He spends his time and he creates, and all these things is organized by Satish Kapoor ji. He will come back with us during the Purple Fest, but before that, for another 3 days, he is there. Sakri and Marga also, he will be screening most of these films. Such a beautiful films that we have seen. The first 5 minutes film, without a word. It is a mute film. We do not know the actor, the single actor who was there in it, whether he is ताका उलोवपा येता तेंय आमकां खबर ना, ताका आयकूं येता आमकां खबर ना, ताका कसली डिसेबिलिटी आसा म्हणजे he can't see that we can he is visually impaired that we can see. But when you have different opinions about this film, it is a touching, heart touching film. बरोबर असं काय ना? त्या खातीर आमकां खुबश्यो मेसेजीस दिता. तुजे कडेन उलोवपाक येना, तुजे कडेन दिसना, तुका कानांनी आयकना. What you feel is the touch. With this you can manage so many things, isn't it? सगळ्यांक खबर आहा, with this kind of disabilities, all these disabilities, you can do lot of things. He has not spoken a single word. आमकां खबर ना ताका आयकुपा येता म्हणून, पण ताणें टच करून केलें. The most important message to all of us that we should not be a cause for troubling others. He felt तो किती तरी करता आसतना ताका ते ग्लास जाराक आपटलो आणि ताका खबर आसा की तातून भितर एक जीव आसा, एक लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम आसा आणि ते फुट्टकच what pains that fish will go through. Why I should be a cause of that fish ताजे disaster जाता ते. And he has tried all this. He tried searching all this. Despite of glass फुटला असताना हातात कवची लागतली, रगत येतले, ताची ताणें पर्व केलें ना की आपल्या खातीर एक जीव वचपाक जायना म्हणून ताणें फायनली ते काय मेळना तेन्ना तो होल आशिल्लो तो पॅक केलो. आणि कितले श्रम पळय, आमी केन्ना चिंतता अशें दुसऱ्याच्या बाबतींत कितले श्रम घेतले ताणें ते फूल फ्लोर आसा तो हे करपाक, रूम आसा तो पॅक करून तातूंत भितर उदक भरलें, कित्याक एक जीव वाचपाक जाय. Do we take care of such things? How emotionally he is attached with all the universe, all those living organisms, all the fish asuni, the pakshi asuni, the झाड asuni, कितें asuni, आमचे मुळे कोणाक त्रास जावपाक जायना. This is a message. This is a very strong message which he has delivered.
You know, that is how. Why it is important here is we should not be a cause for anybody. आम्ही म्हटले की आमच्या कमिशनरान म्हणले की आमचे जे दिव्यांग भुरगे आसात पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज आमचे बरोबर शिकपाक येता तेन्ना आमचे मुळे ते केन्नाच तांची फिलिंग्स हर्ट जावपाक जायना तांचे इमोशन्स दुखपाक जायना आमचे मुळे तांचे फकाणां करून तांकां त्रास जावपाक जायना आमी आमच्या बरोबरीन तांकां व्हरपाक जाय दे डिजर्व रायट ऑफ इक्वॅलिटी दे डिजर्व रायट फॉर एज्युकेशन दे डिजर्व खंयचे जे आमी एन्जॉय करतात ऑल दोज थिंग्स दे शूड बी गिवन आणि आम्ही तातून भितर केन्नाच डिफरन्शिएट करपाक जायना दे शूड लिव अ डिग्निफाईड लाईफ इन वॉट एव्हर वे वी कुड असिस्ट देम they don't want a sympathy the last picture film that we had seen we don't want money for just because I am disabled don't make any sympathetic financial assistance to me but what I deserve what I do pay for that this is a strong message. So never try to just for a time being help them out and get away from your responsibilities. Our responsibility is to take care of them throughout whatever way what we can. And ते म्हणजे आम्ही किती फायनान्शियली दिवपाचे ना आम्ही त्यांच्या बरोबर एक म्युच्युअल रिस्पेक्ट शेअर करपाक जाय सो दॅट दे फील बेटर अँड दे फील अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस सोसायटी दॅट आय हॅव इक्वल ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज I have an equal respect, I have an equal dignity with all of this. This is the kind of environment that we need to create. It's because of that you all people have come here to learn this basic thing and it should get imbibed in our day-to-day activities and day-to-day behavior. I don't take much of your time, but खूप बरें दिसलें की ह्या वयाचेर तुमकां हे सेन्सिटायझेशन जावपाक जाय अवेअरनेस जावपाक जाय म्हणून जे शिक्षकांनी जे टीचर्स ऑल दोज टीचर्स हू हॅव बॉट युअर स्टुडंट्स हियर they will have this impact on their mind and I'm very sure all these people you are lucky you are fortunate that you have learned all these things at this age and in future you will be a pillars or you will be the ambassadors for all these things. Thank you very much for getting me here and giving me this beautiful opportunity. God bless you. Dev Barakoh. Jai Hind.
به نام خدا من خیلی ممنونم از برگزار کنندگان این برنامه. خب روابط ایران و هندوستان از عمق خیلی تاریخی برخورداره و در زمینه سینمایی هم خدا رو شکر این روابط بسیار بسیار گسترده است و فیلم های مختلفی از ایران در هندوستان و برعکس فیلم های هندی در ایران به نمایش گذاشته میشه.
Excellent, good. First of all, I am very happy to be here and appreciate to organizer who organize this such as good, excellent event. And after that, relation between Iran and India actually is come back to ancient time, not now, and especially in this field Asian actually film that we are very common between Indo-Iran and that's it.
این فستیوال که به طور ویژه در مورد افراد ناتوان داره برگزار میشه کمک میکنه که مسائل و مشکلات این دسته از افراد بهتر شناخته بشه و جامعه بهتر بتونه کمک بکنه یاری بکنه که استعدادهای در واقع این دسته از افراد شکوفا بشه.
This such as film festival can help that people that to understand about that disability people and also they recognize that means that people recognize what is the problem about that disability person and we actually بعدش هم رابطه
میتونیم کمک بکنیم که این مشکل
and this film festival show and we also show that this problem of this group and can solve the problems of their problems.
How you seen under this Iran and the situation?
ایران چیکار میکنه؟
آره در مورد
ما یه سازمانی به نام بهزیستی داریم که در واقع در سطح بالایی در به اصطلاح قسمت دولتی مشغول فعالیت هستند، ضمن اینکه سعی میکنن توانایی‌های افراد ناتوان رو افزایش بدن، کمک‌های مختلفی در زمینه آموزش، در زمینه مسائل فرهنگی و حتی کمک‌هایی برای به لحاظ مالی و اینجور مسائل به خانواده‌های ناتوان انجام میدن.
In Iran, we have one organization that is called Behzisti. Means that same empowerment, minister. We have that organization. This organization actually help to that disability people, and first that help to them for that life, and also help to disability person that appear that potential that ability of them, and also that government help to disability person with this organization.
This is the first time has organized by the Indo-Iran in India.
نه، سابقه داره. سینمای ایران و هند در واقع ایندو ایران چندین دوره به اصطلاح فستیوال‌های مختلفی رو برگزار کردن، ولی اولین باره که در واقع با موضوع معلولیت داریم در واقع این برنامه رو برگزار می‌کنیم.
Actually, we hold many film festival with Indian Indian people, Indian filmmaker, Indo-Iran film festival. But for first time, we that hold that this type of festival for organized for the disability person for first time. This is.
Thank you, sir.
During the last two Purple Fest, which we hosted in Goa, we had these film festivals throughout the Purple Fest. But we wanted to take it, throughout the year now, so that we thought of tying up with the Embassy of Iran. They also had fantastic movies on disabilities. Our partners, Satish Kapoor from WeCare, who are partners with us in Purple Fest as well, they curated all these movies, and we thought that these movies should be shown to the students of regular schools from Goa. So how is the first time has organized by the Indo-Iran? Yeah, for the first time we are organizing it jointly with Indo-Iran. Earlier were arranged with various other things, and now in future we are planning during the Purple Fest almost 15 to 16 countries who will participate in this film festival on disabilities. Film festival has how is the help of the disability person? I think these movies play a very, very important role to spread the message, the right message, and to create awareness among students from regular schools, among non-disabled, so that we treat them equally. This is the message that we want to take forward. It is not that we want to give them a special treatment or we want to look at them with sympathy. This all should go that we want to help them. They don't need any help. We want them to be independent, and as a society we have our responsibility to ensure that all persons with disabilities live a very dignified life. Thank you.
Vishan Nagvekar, Advisory Committee member. Vishan Nagvekar, I am a member of State Commissioner for Persons with Disability, and this kind of event should be held to create awareness among the general publics. See, the awareness amongst disabled have been created in the past by having various programs, but this film festival, WeCare Film Festival, is held today specifically for student without disability from general schools. Okay, and it is wonderful initiative taken by the Honorable State Commissioner for Persons with Disability and the Minister for Social Welfare and Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability, and I'm very grateful and thankful to them for having such events. And I suppose this kind of event should have not only for the students but for general publics and government offices like police department and for other departments. Thank you.
Today that the State Disability Commissioner and the Office of and the Department of Empowerment Persons with Disability has organized this film festival to sensitize school students on various disability issues. Previously also the WeCare Film Festival has been organizing this films in Goa for the last 10 years in association with our organization to sensitize school and college students on disability issues. It is very important to sensitize the school students at a young age on disability issues, because then only that this awareness and sensitization in society will grow.
Just give me introduction.
Yeah, I am Avelino Desa. I am the president of the Disability Rights Association of Goa.
Thank you.